enjoying the king of fruits, the durian, have you ever wondered how this fruit is produced? Have you ever stopped to think about what the durian's pollinators are? But before we talk about durian pollination, I'd like to explain to you briefly what pollination is. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from the male part of the flowers, the anthers, to the female part of the flowers, the stigma, to enable fruit production. No pollinators mean no pollination, and no pollination means no fruit production. In general, fruit trees are either wind pollinated or pollinated by animals known as pollinating agents. In the case of the durian, we know from studies conducted in southern Thailand and in Durian Island, Malaysia, that fruit bats such as the cave nectar bat and the island flying fox are the principal pollinators of the durian. But in the case of Peninsular Malaysia, we are still unsure of what fruit bats pollinate the durians here. Despite their importance as durian pollinators, fruit bats are being threatened by habitat loss and hunting. Primary fruit bat habitats such as forests are being lost due to logging and, ironically, in some cases for the expansion of durian plantations. Limestone hills, which are the primary habitat for the cave nectar bat, are being quarried away for cement. Fruit bats such as flying foxes are also hunted for their meat because some communities believe that the consumption of flying fox meat is a cure for asthma. However, more worryingly, many farmers believe that fruit bats are floral predators that come and eat or destroy durian flowers rather than pollinate durian flowers. So my work involves setting up camera traps across Peninsular Malaysia to find out what fruit bats come and visit and pollinate durian trees in Peninsular Malaysia. But more importantly, my work involves working very closely with durian farmers. They are our partners that we try to show them the importance of fruit bats in pollinating durians and to dispel the myth that fruit bats eat or destroy durian flowers. We would like our partners to become sort of bat ambassadors that share this knowledge with other durian farmers that bats are pollinators and not predators of durian flowers, to end the persecution of fruit bats in Malaysia. The findings from my research will also be used to lobby relevant stakeholders in state governments to enable the protection of crucial fruit bat habitats to prevent the loss of durian pollination services. No pollinators mean no pollination. No pollination means no fruit production. So I hope at the end of this video, you become more aware of the importance of pollinators to the production of not just the durian, but to fruits in general, and what the extinction of pollinators would mean for your fruits. Thank you.